Coming in now, they're diving down to 100 metres above the sea. There's 800 miles an hour closer here between the two aircraft. They're going to come up just 100 feet apart. There's pretty much no room for error.
Check. Whoa!
So pulling up as they fly the carousel on the left-hand side with the blue smoke is red 6. That's Mark Murphy, the synchro leader. And his third year on the team. Former Harrier GR 9 and 7 pilots. He too has been operational service in Afghanistan, looking after UK and coalition troops out there.
Don't know.
As they pass once again in front of us, they slide off to the right hand side. As synchro depart, just left you can see the main formation rejoin. Pulling up now in 4G manoeuvre as they get ready to twist towards us. There's another good photo opportunity coming up here, so you might want to have your cameras ready.
Watch this, Jay.
This is reds 1 to 5 with 8 and 9 on board as they top out 5,500 feet above us there. And as they fan out perfectly in front of us there, even now the pilots are still formating on each other to make sure that fan looks just right.
Wow.
Coming back to the right and left, the synchro pair with us. Then 6 descending into the top of this barrel roll. And then a manoeuvre called the roller coaster. Out there on the left-hand side, flying that left-hand ramble, red 7, Mike Lane. Remember, he's the dodgy one. Now, Ricky used to watch the arrows, as a young man, he grew up in Kent, he was also playing speaking around there. And that's what inspired him to join first the Royal Air Force, and then later on the Red Arrow. He went on to fly the Tornado F3, another fighter pilot on the team, and later flying instructor on the Tucano at RAF Linz Monooz. They're all past just 30 metres from each other, and at those speeds they've got to get it just right. Now turning back in towards the synchro pair applying the cyclone. The job here is for red 6 on the left to call the turn back in so they pass right in front of us. That's the call there. And that's bang on. As the synchro pair slingshot out to the front. Take a look out to the left-hand side now as Red 9 joins us. This is Flight Lieutenant Andrew Keith, known as Boomer, the Kiwi. And on the right, you can see Enid stepping down to form Goose. You're going to see Boomer fly right beneath, through the middle of the formation, pulling up in red smoke. On comes the red, white and blue smoke as they turn in front of us. Back to Boomer though, second Kiwi on the team. Now there are always Kiwis around. Kiwis here today? I'm sure there are. Boomer joined the Royal New Zealand Air Force first, but then joined the Royal Air Force in 2002 where he flew Harrier GR9. Again, several tours in Afghanistan for him. But being a Kiwi, he had strange food taste. The other day, I saw him eat a burger with beetroot, egg and pineapple on it all at the same time. Boomer, sorry, that's just awful. Out to the front now, you'll probably see Reds 6 and 7 climbing up to one of our famous manoeuvres. Now this year is the 90th anniversary of the Royal Air Force Benevolent Fund, one of the Royal Air Force's foremost charities. We do an awful lot of good work looking after servicemen, self-serving and their families, and those who have formerly served with the Royal Air Force, providing support in any form for as long as it's needed. And in their 90 years of history, they've done an awful lot of great work. In the middle of their logo is the heart in the centre of the RAF roundel. So in their 90th anniversary year, as a mark of respect to the Royal Air Force Benevolent Fund, on the Red Arrows we dedicate this one to them.